iPhone 15 owners have had their shiny new device in their hands for a few days, and we're starting to get a better idea of the latest release from Apple. Most have had positive things to say about the iPhone 15, but it's not just the Apple detractors who are voicing the complaints. The new iPhone rollout hasn't been completely smooth for Apple. In fact, there's a number of widely reported issues with the new iPhone 15 Pro that should be on prospective buyers' radar. Fortunately, most of these issues are fixable with a software update, and Apple has signaled that those are in the works. Its reported issues are piling up, and these are three common problems we're hearing everywhere. First, iPhone 15 gets way too hot. The users are reporting that the device gets way too hot. Some users are claiming that the phones overheat during taxing mobile gaming sessions. Recording intensive high-quality 4K video also reportedly causes thermal issues. Others even say that simply charging the device causes the 15 Pro to sizzle. Some reports state that the phone gets so hot, it becomes too uncomfortable to hold for a phone call. Adding to customer testimonials, tech outlet Android Authority decided to put the overheating issue to the test and found that the new 15 Pro ran much hotter than the latest mobile devices from Google and Samsung. Apple could likely fix at least some of the overheating issues with this software update. However, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims the overheating issue is likely caused by compromises that were made in the new iPhone 15's thermal design in order to achieve a lighter weight. For now, iPhone users will need to wait to see how Apple will address this. Next, the new iPhone breaks too easily. Arguably, the biggest issue facing the new line of iPhone 15s is the durability of the device. This is something built into every phone and isn't solvable with a software update. Some longtime iPhone users are finding that the new generation flagship phone line breaks much more easily than older models. YouTuber Jerry Everything, for example, went viral for a video he made testing out just what the new 15 Pro can withstand. It seems like the new iPhones, particularly the Pro Max, didn't pass his tests. In one widely shared video, Jerry Everything puts pressure on the device by pushing it with his fingers, and the back of the 15 Pro quickly cracks. Would the average person normally do this to their phone? No. But the point is, the iPhone could face similar force when a user sits on it while the phone is in their pocket. Furthermore, Sam Cole of Apple Track performed a drop test on the device. Cole found that the older iPhone 14 handled the punishment much better than the iPhone 15. In fact, the 15 Pro was completely unusable after a series of drop tests. What was even more interesting about the test is that Cole believes the titanium body build isn't solely to blame. He suspects that the curved edges on the new phone played a role in the device's weaker body as well. Next, fingerprint-attracting chassis. Almost everything can be fixed or addressed with this software update. But what about issues regarding the chassis? iPhone 15 users have been reporting that the new titanium body is causing trouble too. First up, dirt, fingerprints, and other blemishes are apparently much more common on these new devices. Others have reported scratches and even display alignment issues straight out of the box as well. Users who find issues with the phone before it even comes out of the box should definitely take it back to return or exchange it. It's unclear how many users are affected by these issues, but it doesn't seem to be widespread. As for the titanium body's propensity to get mucked up, users probably don't have much to worry about. The only thing I've seen out there that I've experienced personally is the discoloration of titanium due to fingerprints, Schroeder said. That's temporary though. So, what do you guys think about these issues? Are you facing any one of them? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.